Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Creativa MK. Today we are making a beautiful box with compartments. First we will disassemble it to make it easier to decorate. On the side of the lid we will place a stencil that we will fill with the white acrylic putty. You can see the procedure like this. With the spatula, I lightly apply acrylic putty, and as you can see, the print is overflowing. While the lid is drying, we move to the bottom of the box. I have a beautiful silicone lace here that I got from my colleague Dragana Gvozdenovic, and those laces are made of acrylic silicone and are wonderful to work with. I glue them to the box with acrylic varnish. Also, you can use some water-based glue for the same purpose. Once I have the lace in the right place, I trim off the excess with this tiny knife and apply the same varnish I used to glue it over the lace to fix it. While I'm doing all this, you can subscribe to my channel to support my work. Also, you can like the video and write in the comments how do you like this box and how do you like my tutorials. In my tutorials, everything is always shown step by step, but of course, if you have any doubts or any question, you can leave them in the comments and I will be happy to answer to you. We repeat this process of gluing the lace on the remaining sides of the box to get a perfect bottom part. And now you can see how it looks. As for the colors, I'm going to use this metallic green, Dora Cadence, and brown acrylic paint from the Alhambra Art brand. I need a green shade with a bronze tone for the motif I prepared for work today, and I'm painting the entire box inside and out with this color combination. And you can see how it this color is wonderful, and also how beautiful the shade is, and now how it is wonderful shine. And see this. Here you can see how the box looks from all sides. And now that all this has dried, we will place the motif on the lid of the box. This is the motif. You can find it on Pinterest. And the first step is apply varnish to the base, and then I place the motif like this and press out the air with this spatula. It's very important that the motif is perfectly agglide so the wrinkles and air do not appear under the motif later. I will remove the excess paper with sandpaper or a file with a higher grain size. Like this, you can see how I'm doing that. And now I will use a sponge and immediately shade the edges of the motif so that it all fits nicely, and then I will apply the first layer of varnish over the motif. In this way, the motif looks much nicer and we get a wonderful appearance of the motif. And after the first coat of varnish, our box is protected, and now we can continue working further. The next step is to shade the box. First, I will shade everything with brown acrylic paint in order to get the dip of the color on each side as well as the lid of the box. We shade in this way as I show you in the video. You need very little time for shading, like you can see here. Here you can see how my box looks now, and do you like it? Be sure to leave your opinion in the comments, and now you can see how the dividers look also. The next step is to add a little gold wax, and I also use a sponge to apply gold wax in places to complete the look of the box, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and following my channel. If you're not yet, subscribe, and on that way you will give me support. So see you in my next tutorial.